Top of the good morning to ya. Hello everybody. Everything that I can do in the one brand, I'm going to do on one side of the face. So this is something that you guys have been requesting. So let's get into the video. Okay, to start us off, Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim. Just going to do my left, your right hand side of the face. Just going to do the outline in pencil, and I will come in with some Maybelline pomade to fill it in. It's weird not going over to the other side of the face. Coming in now with the Maybelline Tattoo Brow pomade. Okie dokie. I'm gonna look so funny. One side done, one side not. Okay, so I don't have a Maybelline palette. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna come in with my Maybelline blush kit, Master Blush. It really doesn't matter. You don't need to have an actual eye palette kit. So let's go. You can see it's well used. I've more than hit the pan. All right, we might just come in with this one here. And let's go. Coming in with the deeper maroon colour on the outside, and we're just going to pack that in on the corner. Just to give it some depth. I'm just taking it slightly up into the crease. It's very pretty colours. I've had this palette forever. It's number 10 Maybelline blush kit. It's quite pigmented, it's quite pretty. At this stage I'm just going to come in with a blending brush and just soften up those edges there. Nice. And to finish it off, I'm just going to come in with this beautiful pink colour here in the corner. Look at that. Into the inner corner. Back in with my blending brush again and just soften it up. Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. Okay, just going to come back in underneath with the darker maroon colour, just onto that bottom of the eyelid. Going to come in with some mascara. To the one that hubby bought me, which is the Colossal Maybelline Volume Express Cat Eye. I think it was this one. Cat Eyes. That's the go. It's got a really good applicator on this one. And for the makeup today, we're going to come in with the 24-hour Superstay Maybelline in the colour of Ivory. My trusty little kabuki brush. I just got to remember I only do one side of my face. It's quite natural to go over everything, so. This is quite trippy. Oh my goodness. So there you can see the rosacea that I have in my face. And how well this full coverage Maybelline Superstay does actually cover it up, so. Two-faced. So I just got my concealer brush here, and I'm going to come in with this Master Camouflaging Concealer. This is bizarre. It's fun though, something different. Maybelline Superstay Waterproof Matte Powder in the colour Ivory, which is fantastic. Haven't used it for a while, but when I did use it, I've hit pan, so it was obviously a favourite. Oh, it's coming out quite nice. Big difference from one side to the other. Another Maybelline Face Studio, and it is a highlight blush, so it's all in one. So I'll just grab a blush brush. Use this as my contour at this point. This is awesome. This is probably one of the funnest ones I've done yet, just because you can see the absolute difference between one and the other. So I'm going to come back in on the blush side of it just with this little pinky one here, and that highlight, that's all I've got, so I'm going to try and use that for where I need to use it. I'm going to come back in here with the pink blush. Just give that just a touch on the cheeks. I don't think it needs too much. I think we've got a fair bit going on the pink department today. Eco Tools brush that we use for the powder. Just to blend it back out a bit. Wow, huge difference. Okay, now, so for highlighter, this is all I have left. The Maybelline highlighter, but I think we can make it. Positivity. Gotta be positive. Here we go. Fantastic. It's very pretty. No wonder I love pinks. And while I'm on the highlighter, I'm just going to grab one of my little a little elf brush. Cute little thing that it is. And I'm going to grab a little bit of that highlight in here. Just come into the inner corners of my eyes. Beautiful. Brighten that up a little bit. And the same with just below the brow bone. Just on the brow bone, under the eyebrow. Get it right, Sherry. Awesome. The new Matte Maker mattifying powder with a damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to come in underneath and bake so we can get that distinct line down there again. Okay, so I'm just going to take off that bit of baking down the bottom there. Awesome. Wow, makes such a difference to your eyes. And to finish the look off, we're going to come in with the 24-hour Maybelline Infinite Petal Colour 80. These are very nice. I've been using these for a long time and they do stay on all day. And they're kiss proof. So that's a good thing. It's so weird not having makeup on one side of my face. Voila! That was a trippy video. I haven't done anything like that before, so wow. One side to the other side. It's come out quite nice. I wonder whether I'd be able to go and perfect, or not perfect, but make the other side exactly the same as this side. I don't know, because normally you do them side by side. What an awesome video. So I hope you all enjoyed that. For those of you that have been asking for it, here it is. I do not have any Maybelline setting spray, so there's a few things that are on my list for Maybelline, so I'm just going to use some e.l.f. here just to set this side of it. There you have it, my half finished look for the day. That was awesome. Thanks so much guys for requesting. That was good fun. Enjoyed every bit of it. So thank you for tuning in. As always, take care of you. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I'm enjoying every bit of it, and I'll catch you again soon. Thank you. Bye.